Shut up!
So let me tell you how this all came to be. I'm doing this here rap for your safety. So all you kids, don't mess up like me and be disowned by your family. So check it, this is how it all began. I was chillin', eating some raisin bran. I decided it was time to get a tan. So I grabbed my scissors and then I ran. I forgot my house is 2 stories tall. I missed the first step and began to fall. What happened next? I could not recall. I was impaled by the scissors and that's not all. I thought I could get some help on the street. I got run over by a fucking G. The rest of this mess I will not repeat. To help keep your lunch, I've been discreet.
The box man. He's the box man. He's the box man. He's a box. He's a box man. Box man. He's the box man.
I woke up in a strange location. Some dirty bum had an explanation. Apparently he had no education. He turned my body into an abomination. He said he found me on the road nearly dead. It was necessary to fix my torso and my head. He had no human parts, so we used the box instead. The news was so overwhelming that I fled.
The box man. He's the box man. He's the box man. He's a box.
Yo, what's up, homie? You know that box, man?
Yeah, he used to be part of my clique.
Yeah, but what about now?
I don't know, man. Hit the suck mod.
It's hard to live with the body of cardboard. You'd think with this cute smile I'd be adored, but since the accident I've always been ignored. I trust one day that my hope will be restored. I'd like to meet a girl who likes me for me, but of course no girl likes a guy made of tree. I get so desperate that I cry and I plead. I'd even take a fat girl to a tolerable degree. I guess it ain't that bad to be a box like me. Hey, at least I ain't Mary Kate or Ashley. If I ever wanna travel across the sea, I disguise myself as a package and fly for free. Well, the moral of the story is airfare's expensive as hell, so it's the end of my tale. So long and farewell.
The box man. He's the box man. He's the box man. He's a box. He's a box man. He's a box. The box man. He's the box man. He's the box man. He's a box. The box man. He's the box man. He's the box man. He's a box. He's a box man. Box man. He's the 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 box man, man.